The last piece of talking about concavity is to talk about inflection points. So by definition, an inflection point of f is the point on the curve where the graph changes concavity, meaning it changes from concave up to concave down or from down to up. So an inflection point is found by focusing on the second derivative, and that second derivative is either 0 or undefined. So we should be writing f double prime equals 0 or f double prime does not. So these double primes are going to be set equal to 0 or does not exist. So visually, let's go ahead and look at this on a graph. Now we just talked about concave up and down visually. So as you just look at this graph, notice over here above x equals 1, I have this concave down region because I can put an upside down u over it. As a matter of fact, there's a matching upside down u piece over here. And since the rest of the graph needs to be discussed, I can put an upward u underneath the graph over here. So I can see that my graph goes from concave down to concave up, back to concave down as I progress along the x-axis. Since an inflection point is where I change concavity, that means that over here, I've got a point where I stop being concave down, and now I become concave up. And according to this graph, it kind of looks like I'm at the point 2, 4. So let's go ahead and label that. And again, if I'm going from concave up to concave down, I have this point somewhere between where they meet, which for my graph looks like 4, 4, which would be my other inflection point. The inflection points are at 2, 4, and 4, 4.